Calaquachero, Calaquachero, here we are at the Flower Festival here in Hillegom at the moment. Actually, this flower festival is from North Dike to Lize to Haarlem. So here we are watching today. This is my first time to this flower festival. It's a Bloemen Corso they called in the Netherlands 2025. Come and join us. This is some video and pictures of the parade. This is some of the beautiful picture from the parade. It's professional pictures actually. I just took it. Sorry guys, this is not my picture because yung picture ko not really professional picture. Yeah, but this is a beautiful picture. So I put it here so you can see how beautiful is the flower parade 2025. At nandyan yung mga nanalo. Tingnan nyo, sino kaya nanalo? Isa yan sa nanalo. Yes, that one is a third place. Yan. Look, ang ganda ng mga flower. And this shark actually is also beautiful. And the house is beautiful. Yeah, and the car, ang daming car ngayon na nagparade na may mga design actually na inayusan ng mga bulaklak. At ito yung sombrero, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda niya. At ayan, parang rocket. Wow! Ang ganda ng strawberry. Sobrang ganda ng mga picture na to. Thank you so much sa may picture na to. The owner of this photo. Thank you so much. Photo is not mine. Sorry po. Because it's super ganda at super professional photo ito. Kaya alam nyo na, hindi po sa akin ang mga picture na yan. Alam nyo naman kung ako ay magpicture. Wala lang, bara-bara ba lang. Yeah, but I collect this picture to show you guys. This is the number part 2 of my video. Actually, this is the photo and video that I collect. Yeah, but all the video is mine. Just this photo is not mine. So, I like this Thailand. Actually, Thailand float. Ang ganda rin. Pati yung panda. Yun ang Lion King, yes, is also beautiful. And Dora, I also love Dora. Actually, that's the number 1 that I like Dora. But hindi nanalo si Dora. Ay nako. At ito yung sa Thailand. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng float nila. Maganda rin yung China actually. Pero hindi din sila nanalo. At ang banana. Yes. Yeah, at ang King parade na yan. Maganda rin. So, madaming magandang float, pero ang nanalo ay, hulaan nyo, sino kaya ang nanalo sa ganda ng mga float na to? Yes, sila ang nanalo. Ang nanalo po ay ang not the Lion King. Yes, hindi rin si Dora. Gusto ko pa naman si Dora, really. I love the Dora one. Pero hindi siya nanalo. Yung bet ko hindi nanalo. Yung bet na ni Sinta hindi nanalo. Si Panda siya. So, hindi rin nanalo. Pero Thailand, maganda rin, but hindi din nanalo. Yes, that's the first place, the monkey. Yan, sila ang nanalo po. First place si monkey and the second place ito si birdie. Ayan yung my bird. Yan yung second place. And the third place is another bird na may basket. Oh, diba? May bird. So, this is the start. Yes, patating na sila. Kaya, ayan. Guys, for these pictures and video, ayan, tumabi na kami kasi baka dumating na sila. So, this is my video, some video, and some pictures of the flower festival. Ayan na, padating na. Look, daming tao, grabe. Daming tao. Si Ate Ems. Ayan, ito yung Flower Parade 2025 here in Hillegom. Parade. Ayan, dami nanonood.
You see, there's also. There's the other one.
This one is okay.
Medyo maganda. Hindi po ito parada ng ng Purinarya. Ito po ay parada ng Bulaklak.
When you're talking in your language, I know what you mean.
Oh, flower parade. Baka kasi akalain nila.
Walang inilibing dito.
Ate, dito ka baka masag ka sa akin. Ayan ang mga bulaklak ko. No? Ganda.
You are nice orange.
Ate, ganda.
Oh, sorry, no, I want this one. Make it.
Yeah. Come. Ate, oh! Ate, baka masagasaan ka. Ha?
Why is black?
That's what I don't know na. Bahala sila. Wala na. Sinta, go! I make a picture. Selman! Sinta! Yeah! Picture! I make you a picture, Sinta!
I need the car.
Oh, there's more!
That's how much double. My first double.
Yeah! Wow! Yeah, I make you a picture. Here.
Antique.
Kung kasama ko pa si Panchotan eh, inaway pa siya. Oh, look at this! So cool! Te! Yan ka oh.
That's Japanese.
Sinta! Sinta!
Panda.
Panda! Look at that!
Aisha. Elon is here. Sinta! Sinta! Cepetan! Sinta! Cepetan!
Flying up no ceiling when we up no ceiling when we in our zone. Sunshine in my pocket.
Kasama niyo. Isa pa. Ayun, umalis na.
Hi there! No, it's a Twitter! Na-Elon Musk is a Twitter!
Go there, Sinta. Hi, Dora! Oh, that's Dora! That's Dora! That's Dora! Sinta! Dito ka. That's Dora! That's Dora! Iwagbog mo siya. Yeah! Sinta! Kay! Dito ka, te. Kukunan kita. Isa pa.
Smells so good.
Te! Te! Sa likod. Maganda. The back. The back side. The back is nice. End of the festival. Para may arap.
Guys, ang gaganda naman lahat. Ang walang sawang picture talaga.
Already there.
Kay kanto, picture dito is almost in. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for watching our pictures and video. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sinta. Thank you, Ate Em, Sayang. Pasensya na sa mga
Panchotes na.
sa pictures. Sorry guys.
Sinta!
Sorry.
Sinta!